We are proud to share that Draganfly successfully demonstrated its Commander 3XL and Flex FPV drones during the U.S. Department of Defense's T-Rex 24-2 exercise at Camp Atterbury in Indiana. T-Rex is one of the most rigorous multi-domain experimentation events designed to validate emerging technologies for urgent warfighter needs. Draganfly was one of only 4 companies invited to showcase FPV capabilities, providing a critical role for domestic interoperable UAV systems. The Commander 3XL deployed multiple third-party payloads through its universal multi-drop system, while the FPV delivered ultra-low-latency intelligence in GPS-denied and close-quarter environments. Together, they provided live support and target acquisition for Allied forces in simulated operations. This milestone reinforces Draganfly's position as one of a few U.S. Category 1 and Category 2 drone manufacturers capable of rapidly adapting systems to mission needs through modular design, payload-agnostic platforms, and in-field integration. From defense to disaster response, Draganfly's UAV systems are built for resilience, reliability, and mission success, saving time, money, and lives.